Welcome to Fact File. Please like and subscribe. Can you believe that the oldest known recipe in the world is a beer recipe? That's right, this delicious brew has been quenching thirst since the time of ancient Sumerians over 4,000 years ago. Now that's a happy hour with history. Moving on from the ancient Sumerians to the modern-day Italians, did you know that pizza, as we know it today, didn't exist until the late 19th century? Before the addition of tomatoes, a New World import, pizza was simply a flatbread with various toppings. It was in Naples, Italy where the classic margherita pizza was first created, to honor the visiting Queen Margherita. Talk about a royal treat. Switching gears to the Far East in Japan, it's not uncommon to find black eggs, known as kuro tamago, at hot spring areas. These eggs are boiled in the hot springs, causing their shells to turn black due to the sulfur and iron in the water. Locals believe that eating one of these eggs can add 7 years to your life. So next time you're in Japan, why not grab a black egg and add a few years to your journey? Now let's travel to the heart of Africa. Insects are a common part of the diet in many African countries. In fact, caterpillars are a popular snack in nations like Congo and Zambia. High in protein and nutrients, these little critters are often boiled, fried, or smoked before being enjoyed by locals and adventurous tourists alike. Last stop on our culinary world tour is Mexico. While you might be familiar with tequila, you might be surprised to learn that it's made from the blue agave plant, not cacti as commonly believed. And here's another fun fact: real tequila doesn't contain a worm. That's a marketing myth. There you have it, 5 unusual facts about world cuisines that offer a fresh perspective on the foods we love and the cultures they come from. Remember, cuisine is a window into a country's history, traditions, and lifestyle. So the next time you're sampling a new dish, take a moment to appreciate the story it tells. Now, what unusual food facts do you know? Share your culinary secrets in the comments below. Who knows, your fact might feature in our next culinary adventure around the world. Until then, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep learning.